namwe ejo ariko cyane birenze nishimiye ko inshuti zanjye zose ziri hano nk'uko kubizi abangaba byarenze ubushuti basigaye ari abavandimwe so ibizaba ejo ni nko gushyira amata azabyara amavuta ejo kabisa. We are so excited to have a very good show and I hope you guys are very ready, so maybe very quickly we can welcome the Christians.
Yes, thank you so much, except if you have something to add.
Yes, my biggest apologies. I need to introduce my last friend there. He's another artist from Uganda called Victor Chameleon, who said he wanted to accompany me tonight. Yes. But you came late. And rafiki yangu alikuja nyumbani, unielezea shida fulani, hata alifukuzwa kazini, na hajui atafanya nini. Mke wake amemtoroka, rafiki zake wanamcheka, shida amepata liga amechoka, dunia anachoacha kulia, shida za dunia. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Celebrating my birthday and celebrating my health, and we're celebrating Africa through music. So, my dear friends, my journalists, my beautiful brothers and sisters, let the world know that Joseph is alright, and Joseph is going to showcase that on Sunday. I came along with my band. When I say that band, we mean it's not going to be joking. It's going to be really exceptional. I came with my brother Muzima. Muzima told me there's no way you're leaving me for such a beautiful celebration, so he'll celebrate himself. I came with my next superstar, my little son right here, Cool Boy. Yes, he's a small chameleon in the making, so watch him. For bias, I don't. He'll speak. Nibio. Kwa Kiswahili yani naambia washikaji wote, marafiki zangu, nipo hapa ndani ya Kigali, nimeshajiandaa, niko tayari kuwaburudisha Sunday, Jumatatu. Kwa hiyo kitu ambacho naomba upate tiketi zenu sasa hivi, usichelewe, book your tables, alafu mjiandae, get ready for the ride on Sunday. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. This is Amagambo. Sindapfa has arrived. And I'm so happy to be here in Kigali. It's been a long time. And I won't say much because he has said a lot. I've said it's going to be wonderful. Wonderful. It's going to be wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, amahoro ni Rafiki podcast, Rafiki Choga. Muri aka kanya ndishimye cyane kubera ko abenshi ntabwo mwaherukaga nanjye kumbona mu bitaramo, ariko mukuru wanjye yaje bias nawe abigiramo uruhare, arampamagara arambwira ati uyu munsi reka dukore bimwe bya kera, twongere twereke abantu ko umuriro kirimo kwaka hirya no hino. So ndishimye. Chameleon ni mwarimu wanjye, ndi umufana we, namwigiyeho byinshi. Music yanjye mu by'ukuri nemeza ko isoko nini ari kuri Chameleon. Kuperforminga nawe rero muri gitaramo kimwe ni iby'igiciro igihe cyose kuri njye. Amahoro.
By the name of Victor Chameleon, a star, a hip hop artist in Uganda. I've come here to escort the legend, and I feel proud. I feel proud of Rwanda. Yeah, I've come here to Rwanda. This is my first time, and I'm very proud to be in Rwanda with the legend himself, Chameleon. So I love you so much, God. May God bless
you. You see, the love flows automatically. Thank you so much, Rwanda, and everybody for sparing your time to come and brothers and sisters that are in the city to entertain them tomorrow at Kigali Universe. It is a very good honor to be here. Like my brother said, I was supposed to be here a little bit earlier last year, but that doesn't need an explanation. I need to.
Honestly, it's full of vibe, right? Full of vibe. We've been asking questions. He's a legend. Let us tell the world come tomorrow. Let us fill up Kigali Universe like never before. Right? And one more question, Kigali Universe. So we are here to thank you for the energy, for still believing in yourself, for still believing in your God, you know, what it is. Yeah? Wisdom man is big up on yourself, Rafiki big up on yourself. Now you must have fit a man. Natural Shaka Peter, pass. Thank you so much. It is what it is, man. Baba Jata.
Fame can make you blind. Fame can make you forget. It gets on your head, like when you drink something, it gets on your head. But of course, I've managed to manage it using my faith. When I fail, I call God for everything, and He's my soul fighter. And I am a human being, I also have mistakes, but I try to perfect everything. So, yeah, the infrastructure, you see, there's a lot changing in Rwanda, and I want to thank the government for maintaining the rocket speed of development in Rwanda. Yes, I really want to have a big concert here. The Legend in Gold Africa tour is underway. We're going to have a concert in Nairobi. We're going to have a concert in Dar es Salaam, and Rwanda is on the list. So, inshallah, before the end of the year, because I don't know what God plans ahead of it, but we are planning to do it. And my management knows about it better. So, what was the last question, please? Oh, how did I switch from analog to digital? Yeah. What people don't know, that your head alone is a computer. So you have to configure things ahead of time. And yes, I'm an intelligent man, my friend. Before people started going to Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, I was on MySpace so many years ago. I contemplated that the world is growing ahead of us, and sometimes I even brag and tell my friends, you're in 2025, I'm in 2050. And yeah, also, I surround myself with young people. That's one of the things. Socially, I surround my brother. I turned 47, but I have one of my best friends is here, he's 12 years. So these people here help me understand the migration of the world. So, but if you want to stay in analog, keep your old friends and keep talking with your poor and those funny things, that's we shall go and go straight forward. Thank you so much for listening. Before I even walk out of here, look at yourself. You look like Rwanda. Very beautiful. Rwanda is very beautiful, and economically, I think Rwanda is rocket speed development. I told you that. I admire you people. I admire Rwanda so much. And not because I'm talking to you people, but you know it as Rwandese people are very beautiful people, even in their hearts. Look at how bright people look. I met Rafiki, and Rafiki told me, Joseph, people in Rwanda not only love your music, but they love you. Come in and watch you. I was like, wow. When I'm in Rwanda, I'm home. I swear to God. So, then, what else was it? If I can perform one song for the rest of my life, I would perform Mamma Mia. Why? Mamma Mia was a bunch of keys that opened all the other doors. Without Mamma Mia, there wouldn't be Jamila. Without Mamma Mia, there wouldn't be Keep It Pure and the rest of them. Mamma Mia broke the chains free. Mamma Mia was Mamma Mia. There was a third person. What was it?
The last one is
The AI.
yes, it's easy enough for someone to compose beats and lyrics with AI. How to differentiate?
Yeah, but you know, AI is going to give you similar ideas. AI has limited intelligence. That's why they call it artificial intelligence. Those AI is like a walking stick. Lakini unajua Mswahili anasema Mungu akipa ulema anapana mwendo. So it is better you find a way to make it by yourself before you hold the walking stick. I don't blame anybody using AI. Continue, but I think it's more organic when you take it from your head.